Meaning of glimpse.
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 Glimpse. The word glimpse typically refers to catching a quick or brief look or sight of something, often in passing or without much detail. It can also suggest seeing something that is not fully visible or obscured in some way. This term is commonly used to describe a momentary view or insight into a situation, idea, or experience. Overall, glimpse implies a fleeting or brief encounter with something, usually leaving the viewer with the desire for more information or a closer examination.